We just got a package. Wonder who it's from. When DHL drops off a giant package on your doorstep, is it ever a bad day? I mean, probably not, but today is an exceptionally good day because these are my samples from my caster. Now, this is the Juni and Penelope pre-order samples. Here is Penelope's very raggedy version, the last time you'll probably see her popping up on this channel. But I have been waiting for these for literally 6, 7, 8 months. It seems like forever. And I am so freaking excited to get into these. I ordered these dolls in 6 colors. Yes, 6 colors. And also, if anyone's interested, I have an updated color sheet on my website now. All right, I'm just popping right in, like we're flying through this. I'm gonna open up this one first. I could not even remember at this point which dolls I got in which colors, so this is just as much of a fun surprise for me as it is for you. Quick note, I'm noticing the paddles and I'm thinking, did I not get magnet hands? So my caster actually made the mistake and cast some prototype hands and not the hands I sent him. This is being remedied, so please ignore the hands for the duration of this video. What is not a mistake, however, is how beautiful she moves. I'm so excited. This is my best engineered body I've ever made. Like, wait till you see all the poses she can do. Look at that leg mobility. Look at those feet. She does have heel feet, so just be excited about that. It's my first doll with heel feet. The arms also move really, really well, and yes, I use peanuts everywhere, but this time I've kind of given the elbows and the knees caps rather than just having the peanuts hidden, and I think it looks really cute, actually. So this is my petite body, and she is rather slender, so just keep that in mind. We are going to be having a thick, chunky girl in the future, do not worry. But for now, it's time for a face reveal. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Juny. Oh my god, I'm so in love with her. She is so cute. Look at her profile. Look at her little ears. Oh my gosh, her cheeks. Like, I'm so pleased with her. And her little mouth, she's like pursed. She's like, ugh, her little pensive face is so cute. And the sculpting details, I think, all came through really nice. By the way, this is how I'm doing my head backs now, so I have a flat surface to add stickers and stuff to, so. Okay, hopping right into another doll. So this is a yellow one. You'll notice the chests are different. The petite body currently has 3 chest options. What you saw on Juny was the medium. This is the large in the yellow. Also, since this one's in flat feet, standing test. So she can stand flat very easily. And here we go, on one leg. But not only that, not just that on one leg, because this is child's play for her. And there we go. So this is straight out of the box, 0 sueding, 0 wiring. She is a little bouncy, but that's because I kind of just chucked her on there. And just like my slim mini body, she can squat. Actually a little sturdier than my slim mini. And look at this. Oh my gosh. I didn't know she could do this in the prototype, and then I got her and she can, and I'm so, oh my god, I'm so excited. Everything about how this doll sits and poses is so pretty to me. Oh my god, and her face. This is Penelope, if that was not obvious. Her little nose, oh my gosh, I'm so happy with the little button of her button nose and the jawline. Like, I'm so pleased with how this all came together. Like, I knew in the prototype it was going to be cute, but sometimes, like, there's little surprises with the cast dolls and you're a little disappointed. I mean, we had the hands for that this time, but everything about the way she moves and the way her body looks is exactly what I was trying to do with the prototype. So, like, I don't know, like, sometimes you have to wait 6 months for something, but sometimes when you get that thing, it is your favorite thing. So, yeah. Okay, remember what I said about sometimes there's little mistakes? Meet little mistakes. Ugh. So For some reason, when I had her gray prototype, this bump in the middle looked like a furrow, but in this color, and I don't know, once it's cast, it looks like a lump, and I don't like it, and I'm mad at it. And anyways, I think I'm going to resculpt her whole face so she matches Edgar, but she's not for pre-order. I just had to order 6 samples, and I didn't want to get 6 of the same doll. So, you know, that's all that is. That's all that is, guys. So yeah, here are the incorrect hands. You can see that the thumbs are too short and they're kind of sunken in on the back of the hand. This is absolutely not what we are going for, so please keep in mind that nicer hands are on the way. Here are the heel feet, and I think with a little bit of sueding or some wiring, she would be able to stand on her heels, but she cannot out of the box. I'll be fully transparent on that, but the heels are flat, so. But the colors are so beautiful. So of course it's time to share all of the juicy pre-order details, so I'm just going to hop right into it during this pose test. These dolls will be available for pre-order from February 14th, Valentine's Day, at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, until March 6th at 10 p.m. Eastern Time. One basic doll will cost $525 USD. This is my always price. I hope it will always be my always price. The basic doll comes with obviously your choice of sculpt, Juny, or Penelope, and your choice of chest. So you get to choose your doll's chest size. Each doll comes with 1 pair of hands, and additional magnet hands will be available for $25 USD a pair. There are 3 hand sets total. Heel feet will also be available for $25 USD a pair. Basic dolls will come in a super soft pillow bag with my logo on it, but you can upgrade to the full doll bag for an extra $25 USD if you wish. If you're interested in seeing that, wait until you see the Juni and Penelope full set video that's coming up super soon. I'm planning a love core themed full set, and at this point it's almost done, but I'm not quite ready to show you guys. I also need to paint Juni and Penelope and get their wigs in so we can get the full picture. Also, I am planning on having micro Juni and Penelope available as well. Again, as a gift for full payment buyers, but also available on the side for those who are joining the pre-order. You have to join the pre-order to get one though. I'll be talking more about the full sets and obviously showing them off in the other video. But for now, I just want to revel in how much I love this doll, how pleased I am with them, and how excited I am for this pre-order. It's been quite a few months since I've had a pre-order, and I'm really excited to have one again. But that's all for now. Emphasis on the for now. I hope you're all ready for some super fun customizations because I know I am. Also, I just wanted to take a second to show all the chest options side by side so you guys can see the size difference and how they fit and change the look of the doll. If you're already subscribed, thanks so much for subscribing. If you're new here, I hope you like the content and consider subscribing. If you want to stay up to date on all pre-order news and not sure if you can catch every video, definitely head over to my website and sign up for the newsletter. All pre-order news will be sent through there as well. As always, I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye!